Hello, Khatija. How are you? Good
Good.
meeting you virtually.
I know this is a first for us.
It's the first. We've always met face to face, but we're discussing lawn, which is something we've done every year. It's something you design every year, and I write about every year. So
I always look forward to the reviews after, but this time we're doing this before.
this time we're doing it before, but I get to see the lawn beforehand, which is exciting for me because I know how much anticipation there is for Elan lawn. There always is, despite the fact that the market is so crowded now. लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं and I see it on social media. The images are beautiful.
So far, so good, mashallah. The thing is, when we started off Elan lawn, there were a handful of designer lawns in the market, and
Yeah,
now you have, I wouldn't say, or I wouldn't call all of them designer lawns, but you have very many lawns in the market now. So there's quite a
any.
yeah, there's you open social media, and honestly, like every second post that you see is a lawn post. There's just so much of it now.
It is. And they're very similar looking also. तो ये भी होता है कि जब आप लॉन डिजाइन करते हैं तो you make sure कि it's not even similar to your previous collection.
Yeah.
ताकि it
No,
stands out.
with us, the real challenge is that forget us being similar to our, we can't be similar to our own previous collections because
Yes.
all the other brands are going to be similar to our previous collections.
Rampant plagiarism. Yes.
Yeah, so we really have to be make a huge effort कि हम अपनी जो हमने चीज बना ली है उससे खुद ही कोई 200% किसी और डायरेक्शन में जाएं because हमें पता होता है कि अब ये कलेक्शन आ गई है अब जो next you're going to get the next bunch of collections in the market. They're all going to be somewhat similar to what we've done. So we have to kind of make sure to go in a completely different direction.
So Khadija, one thing I noticed which was different in your Lawn 21 collection is that there were a lot more formal Swiss voile dupattas. You know, like there's always a lot of silk, but this time there are a lot of Swiss voile embellished options also for dupattas. So
I wanted to do a lot of embroidery this time on dupattas.
And there is, yes.
So I was kind of, again, in the spirit of wanting to change and make something different each time. That whole thing of the printed silk dupatta and the printed suit or the printed silk dupatta with the embroidered front and the printed sleeves and the printed back, that's all been done a lot. And for me, this time I was like, we have to make it a bit more. And I love honestly, I love my medium silk dupattas. I think Elan, Non, mein khud se hands down, I think we are the ones who the very few who are giving a pure medium silk dupatta. And we really focus even on the print of the dupatta and everything. Like they're beautiful, mashallah, dupattas. But I wanted to add a variety. So last year we did this where we did the organza and the net dupattas. And and the thing is, you see, Dawn has a price point. So it's a mass market product and you want to give a very fine quality product, but you have to keep it in a certain bracket, right? So ours was
price range, yeah.
We're not going to touch 11,000, even though a lot of brands this year have touched 11,000. So I find it to be like a little bit high for lawn because you have I don't know unki brand ki market kitni badi, but if the bigger your market, price does get sensitive, right? Because people have X amount of money to spend. They can't go beyond that. Uske baad unhone stitching bhi karani hai. So then it just starts getting too expensive for an unstitched outfit. That too based on lawn. So the thing is that when you do net and organza, inadvertently आपको पॉली नेट या पॉली ऑर्गेन्जा ही यूज करना होता है एंड पॉली एनीथिंग पॉली ऑर्गेन्जा हो या नेट हो दे नॉट ब्रीदेबल मटेरियल्स बिकॉज दे आर इम्प्योर सो द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल टू मी वाज स्विस वॉइल व्हिच इज एक्चुअली अ ब्यूटीफुल मटेरियल
so it's beautiful. I've been looking at it, and look at the fall and look at how grand it looks.
And it's beautiful. Touch it, Maria. Like if you touch the voile, it's got a very nice.
It's very soft, breathable.
It's not like lawn. It's not. It's very thin. It's gauzy almost, but it has a long and it's not regular wool. So people in Pakistan have a misconception कि सस्ता लॉन का जोड़ा जो होता है उसके साथ लॉन का दुपट्टा होता है. Now I want to clarify that misconception कि स्विस वॉइल लॉन नहीं होती, स्विस वॉइल भी नहीं होती. Swiss voile is a specific blend of voile, which is quite actually luxurious and expensive. It's not like a cheap lawn ka dupatta which you get in the 4,000 5,000 ka suit. So
yeah.
and it's a premium fabric. It wears well. इसके ऊपर embroidery भी अगर तुम देखो ये जो the outfit that you're looking at, it's fully
Very pretty, extremely dainty.
Yeah, so it's got embroidery all around. बीच में उसके वो बूटियां भी हैं, and it's not ripping, it's not tearing, it's light. Yeah, I wanted to do that and wanted to give like these complete looks, a beautifully embroidered shirt, a beautiful embroidered dupatta, kind of old world, classic, timeless, elegant.
As you were saying it came to my mind, Khatija, every time I look at Elan lawn or wear it, and of course I see a lot of lawn collections through the summer, the fabric is in a league of its own. तो ठीक है, हाँ सिल्क दुपट्टे सबके हैं, but Elan का सिल्क के दुपट्टे की फॉल और होती है. So that is something that you've maintained over the years.
So the reason why Elan, like you were saying, it wears well, it's better, is because we use either Pima or Supima lawn, which is a completely एक फर्क चीज. Lawn के अंदर categories होती हैं, right? So you can start off from the very basic lawn, जो कि so जितनी सस्ती होती है lawn, उतनी ही उसके अंदर variation होती है उसके lawn के कपड़े के अंदर.
You've released a collection in Ramzan this time. A lot of lawns came earlier. Yeah. But I think it's because the collection, I've seen all of it, of course, on Instagram, and now have some with me. I think इतनी formal है कि it can easily translate to slightly formal for dinners, for Eid wear, or if you want to dress it down, then maybe for a lunch.
Yeah, so basically, right? So the thing with us was that, we obviously also, I had Zaha, and we have this other brand.
Oh, Zaha Festive is coming, of course, right?
Zaha is the high street brand and whatever. So with Zaha हमने Zaha की lawn collection launch कर दी थी काफी early in the summer. So the earliest part of lawn that we did was Zaha. With Elan, we wanted to aim it for Eid because it is a bit more festive, and we knew that इस साल
it is formal enough for me.
So it's formal. It's a little bit heavier. Eid was going to be earlier this year. It's coming closer and closer to the beginning of summer, right? So the timing seems better this way. Instead of launching Elan lawn early on in March, और फिर हम दोबारा एक और lawn की collection Eid के लिए निकालें या कोई और unstitched collection Eid के लिए निकालें, it just made sense कि एक ही collection निकालें और वो जरा geared towards Eid ही हो. Because mostly अब लोगों ने, with Corona also.
No, listen, this is Eid wear. Yeah. These dupattas, these shirts, the way they are embroidered and embellished, I mean, it's Eid wear.
No, it's embroidered dupattas, embroidered shirts. So I think they're perfect Eid outfits. In fact, anybody who's asking me, what are you going to be wearing Eid? I was like, I'm going to wear a Elan lawn for you. Like, I don't need anything else. And a lot of us, Maria, we can't wear these silky organza type jodas in the day, in the heat. I mean, lawn is the way.
Listen, not even in the night a lot of times. It is hot. So I'd rather have a beautiful lawn dupatta that I can dress up, accessorize, and even wear it to an Eid dinner. Let's look at some of the luxury lawns. So you've sent me. Yeah. I have been lucky enough to see some suits from the lawn up close. So let's look at them. Like this one. It's called Emira. I've got the name down.
Yeah. So I have this beautiful book on garas. So इसका पूरा हमने the template, mood and the feel we got from that old Gara book. And Gara textile, by the way, is like a Parsi textile. Like Parsi, the community make their embroideries, and that's
these florals here. They are that, especially these ones.
It's like all with the satin stitch.
Stems playing out.
And yellow, and it's like a mango yellow, and yellow is, like over the years, I've noticed that the Pakistani people have a very strong love for yellow.
This is the border.
Yeah,
that's the white border right at the end, right?
Asha,
and beautiful.
And then, if you want to make it shorter, you don't put the border. If you want to make it longer, you can put the border. You can always put the border on your the pant or the shalwar, or use it on the sleeves. So there's a lot of versatility in the sense of how to use the different components.
My favorite is the dupatta because it goes so well with the shirt, but also I can totally use it later. It's such a statement dupatta with the borders all around it.
You can wear it with the white kurta. You can wear it with a complete
white suit. Yes.
very useful like that. Yeah.
Okay, here's another blue. The next one that I've set aside is a Wedgwood blue. This is so pretty. I love, Khadija, I love how your florals are different. I can sense that somebody's actually taken the time and sketched them out, because these aren't your usual florals, you know?
Everything is sketched out. Like these prints and patterns are made by hand first. They're all like, if I show you, literally all these khatas are sketched like paintings, and then we make the embroideries out of them. So yeah, that's why you see the difference, because it's all been proportioned, and kind of like a whole painting has been made, and then
it is apparently a Swiss voile panel at the end, right? It's an all embroidered, but then there's a separate panel in the end, which is
the whole dupatta Swiss voile. अगर तुम इसको पूरे को खोलो, इसके अंदर पूरी एक जाली चल रही है embroidery की in the dupatta, and then on the both the pallu ends are different.
Yeah, they are. Yes, they are.
So this pallu has a different embroidery. ये देखो ना ये. So this is one pallu. And this is the florals. And अब अगर तुम दूसरी side दिखाओगी दुपट्टे की, तो उस पल्लू पे there is a different embroidery. Yeah.
It's a flower power, but so unique.
अच्छा, Madhya, show the other side, because there's a beautiful Seymour on it.
This is the other side. This is the other pallu.
ये जो कोना तुम्हारे left hand side पे जो कोना है ना, इसमें ये bird देखो. Look at the bird in this corner. Yeah. So this is a big Seymour on the corner.
Oh, yes, I see it here. Yeah. It's pretty. I have another yellow. This one is with a silk dupatta. So it's called Irmak. All these Turkish names, I had to note them down because I can't remember them.
You see, the way I've captured Myra as a kind of a tribal woman, I have not captured her as a completely Desi woman. She's not a Desi girl. She's a tribal girl, right? So I wanted that essence of somebody being tribal, and tribal regions of Central Asia and the subcontinent are all very similar. तो हमारे कपड़े, स्टाइल ऑफ ड्रेसिंग, ये टोपियां भी जो पहनी हुई है, ये पाकिस्तान में भी पहनते हैं लोग, अल्जीरिया में भी पहनते हैं, all the Caucasus region, they all wear them. So I wanted to show that kind of heritage tribal culture which is unique to all our countries, not kind of make it desi and typically just Pakistani,
So let's go on to this lawn, this one, yeah? So it's a lime yellow, and again, beautiful florals. What I love is this pop of color. It's a sea green right at the end. And then I noticed that there's a different border here. It's yellow here. It's a very young design,
Yeah.
Very young, it's fun.
And the color,
it's funky. Look at the back. I love the back. I especially love the, pattern on the back. So
this is a very
I can see young girls wearing this a lot on Eid.
Very pretty pale lemon. It's a beautiful color. And again, this is just like a Persian inspired design. So we made a whole Persian inspired for it before, and the oranges with the yellows and the greens. It's very fresh, very summery, sunshiny kind of.
And there are such beautiful flowers, but there are all these arches and trellises and
show them the bottom
flowers.
This
garden, Persian garden.
Again, my favorite is that portion in the bottom, which is the little hills with the details in the middle. There's the kalis and these little palm trees.
Comes with, of course, a silk dupatta, which has a bright pops of color, very bright.
Yeah.
So it's like.
Show them the E also, our beloved E, in the middle of the black and white. वो जो black and white sundial बना हुआ है उसके बीच में. ये रहा. Yeah. So it's a very pretty. I love this dupatta.
It's very pretty. It's such a bright mix of color. Yeah. And because the shirt itself is a light lemon yellow, so the dupatta just pops out. And of course the silk is great, so that helps big time.
The dupattas we made so beautifully, and we spend most of our time is spent making these dupattas. वो सिर्फ ये होता है shoot में दुपट्टे नजर ही नहीं आते. Like obviously अब हम we can't constantly be it's showing the dupattas when you're taking a picture. वो कंधे पे होते हैं, गले में लिए हुए होते हैं. Nobody gets to see the beauty of the dupatta, but they're actually very.
But the beauty of a lawn joda, the beauty of a formal lawn joda lies very much in a grand dupatta. You know, because it adds that element of this Eastern finesse, elegance to it. This one stands out so much. It's this secret garden, no, forest rather, you know. And the embroidery goes on and on and on. So this is one of your most formal suits, I think, from this collection.
Because it's very also like a very beautiful jeweled sort of a teal fire. So color itself is very royal. Even though iska jo dusra option hai, that's white, and when you see that, you can see like you can wear it during the day, all the time, formally even.
But this is more evening wear. It's very formal.
Very formal.
And you know, I was looking at the before this conversation, I was looking at the flowers, and there are all these corals here. So it's like a coral reef. Then you see these bigger florals right at the end. So there's a lot of detail here, lots and lots of detail. And because the shirt is so heavily worked, it's great that the back just has this lighter embellishment on it.
And then the border, you can
look at the border. I love the tiger print on it. This is good.
I love for animals and animal prints and all is kind of.
I know you do.
Popping up here and there in the collection. ये बहुत very stunning dupatta. You know, honestly, like this dupatta is something that should ever waste. People should wear it. Make a plain black suit, wear it with that. Make a plain beige, wear it with that. You know, do stuff with this dupatta. And when you're sick of wearing this as a dupatta, make cushion covers out, please.
It's so elan, this dupatta. You look at it and it's elan all through the years. It's very you know, the bright colors and the zebra prints, and just, you know, how stand out it is. It's very elan. You can look at it, and anybody who's been wearing elan over the years can recognize that this is your brain. Now, my favorite from the collection is this one. Basically, because it's all got all this Kashmiri embroidery on it.
Yeah.
So there's this tribal feel to it, and the borders particularly, I love them, and I had admired them in the shoot, but when I saw them up close, they're so beautiful. And I think Mahira's worn this in the shoot, so she totally looks like this tribal princess in it, because there are so many, and then of course this.
And the dupatta is my favorite.
The dupatta.
Color blocking.
The color blocking, also the white canvas, of course, makes so much sense for the summer. Then these bootiya, you know, they're so indigenously Pakistani. You know, it is that pattern that we've seen on traditional embroideries all the time.
Whole stitching technique is the chota kantha stitch that has made all this embroidery. It doesn't look like machine. तुम्हारे हाथ में, but देखो, doesn't it look like hand के वो जो tribal embroidery होती है छोटे कांथे stitch की, वो machine.
It looks extremely neat. It is extremely neat. You know, even these paisleys, they are paisleys. You know, the thread work is very, very neat. So it's extremely detailed and neat. So yeah, because it's lawn, we know it's machine embroidery, but really, you know, it is of a certain caliber. The most formal outfit that I have in my collection.
And
I would dress this up and wear it to a dholki. I would, you know, if I would dress it up and just simply wear it to a dholki, because it is that formal. It's such a beautiful rose pink color, and then this whole silk thread embroidery, I believe. You know, it looks like it.
This is like a whole, like, you know, indigenous sort of shadow work plus chikankari design.
It is.
Yeah. So
and listen, it's couture. I'm telling you, this is couture, okay? Because it's Eastern couture. Because there is so much detail. It doesn't look like your long joda.
So this, you know, I wanted to go for it. I didn't know how this was going to come out, because ये पूरा भरा हुआ, you cannot even see the fabric.
बहुत भरा हुआ है. बहुत भरा हुआ है.
I was like, पता नहीं कैसे अकड़ के ना निकल आया, machine पे embroidery होगी. I was like, this has come out so beautifully that honestly, it's one of the it's like a masterpiece in lawn. You can't achieve
And
this.
this is going to be your best seller because anybody with a summer dholkis or formal events coming up, this is it. Very heavy, and I love this dupatta because I spotted little horses on the border. So I love the dupatta because of this unique detail to it.
Prize element of the outfit is the horses on the dupatta.
So on that note, and with this final look at this beautiful border, we're wrapping up our conversation. Good luck with your launch.
Thank you so much. And as usual, it was like a pleasure speaking. I wish we could have sat opposite each other, and I could have also, brought.
Yes, I would have loved that. But given the pandemic, the pandemic is still raging on, so we've got to do it via Zoom. But really, it was a pleasure because seeing the lawns up close was great. Before it launched was like this exclusive opportunity I've had that I can show off about now. And and just knowing the details, going through the details with you has been a lot of fun.
I'm so glad. And also, our pre-booking is tonight. In case, by the way, it's been so hard for us to record this video because of the internet coming and going. I would like to tell people that in case you are not able to use your internet's not coming because of the protests happening, you can try again tomorrow. You can try again tomorrow evening because a lot of people are facing this problem with their internet and not being able to connect to the e-stores and all of that. However, we will have collection tonight, so it will be available to you tonight, tomorrow, whenever you can log on. But yes, try ideally to come tonight at 12 a.m. and pick your favorites.